In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause copy trading on eToro. If you want to stop copying an investor's new trades without immediately closing the positions you already have open, this process is exactly what you need. It's a simple way to take back manual control while keeping your existing copied trades in your portfolio. To begin, sign in to your eToro account. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on the main dashboard so you can easily access your account tools and portfolio settings. From there, look to the left-hand menu and click on Portfolio. This is where you can see all of your current investments, including any investors you're actively copying. The Portfolio section is the main place you'll use to manage copied relationships, so if you ever need to review or adjust them again later, this is where to return. Next, select the investor you're currently copying. Open that copied investor so you can view the details of the copy relationship. Make sure you choose the correct one, especially if you're copying more than one person, since any changes you make will apply only to that selected investor. Once you're inside that investor's page, open the Options menu by clicking the three-dot icon in the top right corner. This menu contains the management actions for that copy relationship. From the menu, click Stop Copying. When you do this, eToro will give you a couple of choices, and this next part is important. To effectively pause the copy relationship while keeping your currently open trades, choose Stop Copying and Keep Positions. This option means you will no longer mirror any new trades from that investor going forward, but the positions that were already copied into your account will stay open in your portfolio. That gives you the flexibility to manage them yourself instead of having them automatically tied to the investor's future activity. After selecting that option, review the details on the confirmation screen carefully and confirm your choice. It's always a good idea to double-check what action you're approving so you know exactly how your portfolio will be affected. Once confirmed, verify that the copy relationship has ended. In other words, make sure you are no longer copying new trades from that investor. This is the key sign that the pause has taken effect. At the same time, your existing copied positions should still remain in your portfolio. You can continue monitoring them, hold them as long as you want, or manage them manually based on your own strategy. And that's it. You've successfully paused copy trading on eToro while keeping your existing positions open. Thanks for watching.